Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tisha Marie, and today I am going to be reviewing this hair that I have on right now. This is a wig by LuvMe Hair. They so kindly sent it over to me to review, so that's what I'm gonna do for y'all today. I am going to go ahead and install and review this hair. So right now you're watching it from the ending to the beginning, like I've already installed it and everything. If y'all are interested in seeing me install it and letting y'all know what I think about this hair, then make sure you keep watching. Alright, so I got my hair all pinned up so that I can go ahead and apply this wig. And the wig that I am reviewing with you guys today is from LuvMe Hair. So shout out to LuvMe Hair for sending me this wig. And here's the bag that our wig comes in. As always, we got our wig caps, our little bag of goodies, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take this wig right out. So here is the wig in the hairnet. Let's go ahead and remove it. And already it's very soft. You can see it has a nice sheen to it. This is a 5x5 Kinky Curly wig, and it is, I believe, 14 inches. On the site is listed as neck length, but the curls on this are so pretty and so soft. I haven't done anything to this hair, just literally to get out of the package. But this is like a 5x5 closure wig, and let's see, it says it has a natural hairline, so I'll kind of try to show you what the hairline is giving. This is how the hairline looks. I actually think it looks pretty good. I do think I am gonna go in and pluck it a little bit more so it looks even more natural once I put it on. I'm not gonna bleach the knots or anything because I don't plan on keeping this wig on for a long time. I'm actually gonna silk press my hair tomorrow. So I'm going to apply this. I think I'm gonna do it as like a glueless method because, like I said, I'm not gonna keep it on for very long. So yeah, I am going to pluck the hairline a little bit more, maybe tint the lace with my lace spray, and then I'll come back to apply it with you guys. All right, y'all, so I'm back with my wig cap on, and yeah, I know it looks big. It's because I got the two twists in the back of my hair instead of having my hair braided down so it's nice and flat. But that helps me to see if the wig is big head friendly because typically my hair is not braided down. So I did go ahead and pluck the hairline a little bit more. This is all of the hair that I plucked out. And then I went in with my Shake Bar Lace Tint Spray in the shade Medium Brown. I really love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on. It does have this band in the back to make it more secure. Let's see. All right, and you can see that I did not cut the lace yet. This hair is so soft, oh my gosh. So yeah, I haven't done anything to the lace besides what I told you guys, or to the hair. This hair is so good, it's so soft. But you can see it looks frizzy right here from where I combed it out when I was plucking the lace. So let me get a clip to kind of pin this back so we can see how it's looking. So like I told you guys, this is a closure. It is not a frontal, but this is how the hairline is looking. I think it looks pretty good for me to not have done a ton of plucking and I didn't bleach the knots. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. But as you can see, like I don't have any ashy looking cast. And let's go ahead and cut this lace off. And when I cut my lace, y'all, I'm not a professional by any means, but when I cut my lace, I like to kind of cut it in a zigzag so that it's a little bit, just so that it's a little bit more seamless. Because when it's a straight line, it's like, it's easier to see the lace. But you know, lace is lace, and regardless, you are gonna see it in person. I feel like on camera, it's easier for it to be undetectable, as long as you do it right. So you see, like this side I've cut the lace off and this side I haven't. It's like you can barely see that lace that's hanging on until I like turn my head, right? That's pretty good lace. I think it's pretty good. What do y'all think? Let me know down below in the comments. I think it looks pretty good. Like you can barely see this lace, right? Like usually lace has a, just like a weird ashy grayish cast, but I'm not getting that from this lace. Even before I tinted it, I didn't get like that weird ashiness, and I can appreciate that. That looks good. I think that looks really good. All right, I'm gonna take my clips out. You know what? I don't even know that I'm gonna use any mousse to lay this down because it feels really secure. And I don't usually like my part on this side. All right, let me see what I'm gonna do about styling. The length is good. Oh, it's got movement to it. This is cute. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna spray it down so that I can get it to look exactly how I want it. Bear with me, y'all, bear with me. And I'm thinking about switching this part too. Like maybe I want a middle part, but I don't think I wanna keep the part on this side. Yeah, I think I need to spray it some more. Yeah, I'm gonna part my hair on the other side because I cannot. All right, y'all, so I'm going to style this hair up, let it dry while I'm off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks. And I wanted to show you guys this. I did go off camera, kind of, you know, spray the hair down, put my lace band on, but I wanted to come back and show you guys how the lace looked on my skin after I put mousse on it. It's starting to dry now, so it's not sticking, but the lace is right here. Like you can see the hairs, and it's like you can barely see the lace, right? I think that's pretty good. So yeah, I just thought that I would show that to you guys before I went and threw that away. So I'll be right back once my hair is done drying and show you guys the final look and give you my final thoughts on this hair from LuvMe. So I am back. My hair is fully dry. I got my lace laid down, and bruh, I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. Like, do you see this hair, girl? And it is glueless. I don't have any glue. I don't have like any spray, no Gatsby, any of that on the lace. I literally just put mousse on it, and I'm gonna slide this comb under here just so y'all can see, like literally glueless. Y'all see that? Nothing holding this wig down besides like, I mean, the mousse isn't holding it down. The lace just lays so flat. And I showed y'all like how good the lace was before I put anything on it. Literally just put the mousse on here to lay like the edges down, to make the edges lay flat. And then I have the band under here in the back so that it's like really holding it nice and secure. Like the wig is not going anywhere, but the hair, like I cannot begin to explain to y'all how soft this hair is. And it looks so good. Like I didn't put any product in this hair. Literally all I did was sprayed it with water, like y'all saw me do before I went off camera. I literally just sprayed it with water and brushed through it with this paddle brush and let it air dry. I didn't take a blow dryer to it, did not put any mousse in the hair or anything, like, and it is so soft. And I love the way the curls look. They're nice and bouncy. And the bob, like the way that the bob is cut, perfection. Like LuvMe really outdid themselves with this wig. It's so good. All right, I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see the back. I don't even know how the back looks, so y'all gonna have to let me know in the comments, or I'm just have to see when I watch the video back. But this is how the back looks. I feel like it's a little bit frizzy, but I don't mind frizz, especially with curly hair, because it just makes it look more natural, even though we know it's a wig. But this hair looks good. This looks good. I wish I would have had this wig at the beginning of summer, because this is definitely giving me summer hair. Oof, it's just so good. Like I can't get over it. And the best thing about this is, like I told you guys, if you ever just need to refresh the curls, literally all you have to do is spray it with water, brush it, and let it dry. You don't have to do anything else to it. Like, don't take a diffuser to it, don't take a blow dryer to it. Literally don't have to do anything. So like I told you guys before I went off camera, the only thing that I did to the lace was I did pluck it a little bit to my liking. I didn't really have to because it was plucked very, very lightly, but yeah, I plucked it a little bit more. And this is how the hairline is looking. So yes, it looks so good. Y'all see that? So the lace ends right here. So all this that you see right here is my hair. The edges anyway is my hair. And right here is just like whatever the wig is made out of. But on this side, the lace ends here. So you have a 5x5. And the lace does go back pretty far. The lace stops like back here. So you get quite a bit of parting space, like to part to the back. You can wear a side part like I am wearing. You could wear a middle part. So that's the beauty of this 5x5 lace closure. If you are a girl that doesn't really like to mess too much with frontals, because you know you do have to pluck the frontal all the way from ear to ear. You do have to make sure that the lace is laid from ear to ear. And if you're a girl like me whose sideburns come down really far, sometimes you may have issues with the ear tabs like laying down because you still have so much hair right here. So with closures, you don't have to worry about that. Like, you can literally just let your sideburns be and it looks good. It's good to go. Like, this is so good. I am loving this. Loving it. And the curls, like how they clumped at the bottom, and just water in a brush. It feels so good. So as far as it being big head friendly, I guess it's like, if you are like me and you don't always braid your hair down underneath your wigs, I feel like you can still get away with this wig. It's a little tight, but it's not like uncomfortable tight. I did have to make sure I pulled the wig down over my braids all the way, but it is covered. Like, none of what I have underneath here, you can't see any of that going on. So it's good. The wig is secure. Everything underneath here is covered up, and yeah, I love this hair, y'all. After I plucked and got all of that shed hair out, I am not finding that the hair is shedding anymore. As far as it tangling, it doesn't feel tangly at all. But with like hair that's curly like this, I wouldn't be running my fingers through it anyway, because that's just gonna make it like really, really poofy and really, really frizzy. I feel like if this hair does tangle, all you have to do is like spray it with water, maybe add a little bit of conditioner in your water bottle and just brush through it and you're good. If it does tangle, more than likely it's gonna be like right under here in the back. I highly, highly recommend this wig. Like, this is good. This is good. This is probably the best short curly wig that I own. Y'all know I own quite a few wigs, so this one's, yeah, I'm definitely giving this the #1 spot. So I will have this wig linked down below in my description box. If y'all are interested in checking it out, I definitely say go for it. Like, you are not gonna be disappointed, girl. This is so cute. This is so me. Oh my God, I love it. I love it so much. So yeah, definitely check this out. You guys, let me know what you think about this hair down below in the comment box as well. If you have tried any hair from LuvMe Hair, let me know that down below in the comment box. Let me know what you thought of it. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this type of content, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and make sure you have your post notifications turned on so that you don't miss it anytime a new video goes up. And I will see y'all next time. All right, bye.